because you're supposed to be just give it a little bit of okay, keep for 30 seconds. Flash gear. This is a golden touch. If you get one a bottle of this, it will take you forever to go through. It will last you for a long time. It worth absolutely your investments. You can do so many. You can do a painting, or you can do is like on the accents on anything. I can't wait for this. It's like you can use these colors all year round, and it's back in the stock just in case you were asking. Golden touch. The black mimosa is the golden touch for gel paintings, love. You seeing it? All right. So, should we do crystal placement, or we'll do crystal placements all later? Chamfer foil. I'm gonna do chamfer foil first, and then we can do all the crystal placement at the same time. So I'm going to using iHo chamfer foil gels. Let me close this. Before I spill this, you don't want to spill all of this is fusioning because it's so pigmented. I'm gonna put it on the side right here so it won't mess it up. Okay. Great. So I'm not using that chamfer foil and applying it on which is I did to my nails. I refill it. I don't like it. I will keep it to all. Everybody at work will say just change it to different shape. Change to back of my shape that I always wearing it is the mountain peak. But I decided to stay with coffin. And again, usually I get my nails. I always cut my natural nails really short. This is the refill set, so that's why you see my nails on it. I'm gonna keep this for 30 seconds. This is the look of the nails after it's all done. It's really low-key. I have to say honest, I really like it. It looks nice, neat. And you can do 1 or 2 nails, and then the solid color, either like mint green or lavender or like a pink, is gonna go well with this design. So, or if you just want it's clear, because we have a lot of clients were asking for the clears with chamfer foil, clear with fusioning, because we're seeing a lot with background in the whites or other colors. So here you go. This is gonna be for you. And then the effects and the looks gonna be different as you're using a different fusioning. So I'm using 3 colors, which is passionate, calming, and delight. But also you can do it's gonna be fun with different colors turn out as well. So I have this foil. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to see if I can lay this one. Bring it up. You can do, it's cool if you want to do different, hold on, let me see if I can get this one. Oh, the lighting killing me because I can't see it. Ta-da! Let me see. Let me lay it right here. See how it's gonna keep us. Good, so make sure you rub it nice because the apex that I have. This foil gel chamfer is really awesome. There you go. I'm not using this part for my pinky. It chamfer right away. I'm so excited because it's gonna be fun. It's gonna put some crystal placement because I'm not even done with rubbing yet. It's already chamfer. This one on the side so you can. Great. And then we're gonna do the thumbs for this part too. I'm excited. You like the lavender and clear? I think it looks good. Marissa, it's gonna look so stunning. I can't wait. If you are doing any of this for your press-on nails or your glue-on nails for its contest, or if you are who is able to get back into the salon, I can't wait to see because it looks so cool and it's on the clear nails, like a glass nails. So I'm gonna clear this one for 30 seconds. Is on the under camera, you can see that my nails is growing out, which is driving me nuts. I don't know if any of you like that. I used to like it, my nails long, but now it's been growing so fast and long, I like to cut them shorter. Thank you, Whitney. Thank you. Do stiletto. Debbie, I'm by myself. Oh, I'm with Hugh here. He's helping me. Hi, G-Nails. If you are here, hi, Isabel. Debbie, I'm by myself. No, I'm here. Hey, Luigi, how are you? All right. Hi, Roxy. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do with this. It's so colorful. It's hard to pick which one. Maybe I can do other nails so colorful right there. Just leave it right there. Let's make sure, because it's my C curve for the nails, so make sure you get it all down before you remove them. Sorry, Instagram and Facebook. Look at that, it's chamfer, a whole piece come off. It looks different. Because my nail is so low key today, everyone. It's gonna do some crystal placement. So excited. I am going to using condensed glue gel and